Hello my dear children, today once again we are here and today we are going to learn new alphabet. Yes, I know all of you are looking at the board, right? Okay, can anyone tell me which alphabet is this? Correct, it is U. Which letter is this children? U. And U is very easy, correct? Just you have to, yes, with your pointer finger, all of you have to trace it. Yes, you have to make standing line, then take a curve from that and again standing line. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to trace on it. Okay, standing line, make a curve and go up. Which alphabet is this children? U. All of you repeat after me. U. Which letter is this? U. So today we are going to learn few objects with letter U. Okay, can you see here? Yes, he is a boy and he is a student. Okay, tell me, when you go to school, you can wear any dress and go? No, we have a particular dress to wear in a school. We cannot wear any other clothes and we can go to school. So there we have a particular dress and we call it a uniform. Yes, all the students have the same uniform, right? Same dress. So we call it a uniform. So all of you repeat after me. U for uniform. Again children, U for uniform. Once again, U for uniform. Same way, all of you watch cricket match, right? Yes. And when the person is out, when the batsman is out, or when the batsman hits 6, how they come to know? Here we have the umpire, right? Yes. So all of you repeat after me. U for umpire. Again, U for umpire. Once again children, U for umpire. And one more thing, when it is raining and if you want to go out, how you will go? You will just run and go out? No, mama shouts. What she tells? Don't get wet in the rain. So if you want to go out when it is raining, what you take and go? Yes, correct. Many of you wear raincoat. But what mama takes in her hand? Yes, umbrella. So when there is raining, what we use? We use umbrella. So all of you repeat after me. U for umbrella. Again children, U for umbrella. Once again, U for umbrella. Okay, now here I would like to ask you one question. Where do we use umbrella? When we use umbrella children, can anyone tell me? Correct. We use umbrella when it rains, in rainy season, correct? We use umbrella in rainy season. To keep ourselves dry from getting wet, what we use? We use umbrella. So all of you repeat after me. We use umbrella in rainy season. Once again, we use umbrella in rainy season. So what we are going to do? Once again, we are going to revise it children and all of you have to repeat after me. Okay. Which alphabet is this? U. Which letter is this children? U. All of you repeat. U for uniform. Again, U for uniform. Now same way, all of you look here down. U for umpire. Again, U for umpire. And when it rains, what we use? Yes, U for umbrella. Again, U for umbrella. Okay children, so what you are going to do? You are going to sit with your mother and you are going to learn objects. We start with alphabet U. Be a good children and study well. Thank you.
Dear students, do remember to hit that like and subscribe button